Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add new contacts on WhatsApp. First, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your WhatsApp application. Okay, so we all know that one of the most widely used online messaging platform is WhatsApp, which offers end-to-end encryption for the security of all of your private communications. You might wish to increase the number of people in your contact list because WhatsApp is so widely distributed and works with so many different web browsers. But to do that, first you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your WhatsApp application by going to your Play Store, type WhatsApp, and then tap Update. Or once it is updated, all you have to do is to click Open. Okay, so once you're done updating your WhatsApp, you click Open, go to your WhatsApp application, and you have to tap this paper icon here or the green one. Okay, once you tap this, it will give you options like new group and new contact. You have to tap this new contact here. And then once you tap this one, you have to fill out the information here, like the name of that person, company, job title, but everything is up to you. You can skip this one and go to that phone number of the person. Okay, so you have to scroll down and type the phone number. And then once done, all you have to do is to click save. But of course, you can also add picture to this person, even the ringtone, the address, and then click save. Okay, here it is. Now, if this person is using WhatsApp, automatically you can see an option there like WhatsApp or Viber or WeChat, and then you can message that person. Okay, and that way you can simply add that person into your WhatsApp contact. Fortunately, adding new contact is quite easy and only requires a few quick steps. So just follow the instructions here, and I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.